We are on our way on a little adventure to find a weird noise. I was feeding him and then I heard what sounded like somewhere between a cow and a really bad instrument player. So I decided it sounds like it's just behind our woods. So I'm getting on Bill, going on the trail, and we're gonna go find this mutant cow or really bad high school band. Into the woods. Good boy. That's the noise. It's gone. No, don't move. Back up. Good boy. We found the noise. It is someone building what looks to be a chicken coop. It is all good. No mutant cows and no bad high school bands. We're safe for now. That's what he thinks. He thinks it's crap.